Well, we're getting off to a bit of a dreary start in a lot of spots here, especially south of I-70. This is a look at Lake of the Ozarks this morning. And again, at times, some passing showers just kind of rifling on through. And it's going to be more or less the theme throughout much of today. It's going to be pretty hit and miss, really nothing organized, but we might hear a rumble of thunder or two. Especially it looks like down in some of our southern counties as we get into about 3 and 4 o'clock. I think on the other side of sunset, though, we lose a lot of that across mid-Missouri, and I think tonight's going to be looking pretty quiet. But by tomorrow morning, we got another little flare-up in southeastern portions of the state. Some of that might clip some of our far southern counties. Again, a lot of the same folks dealing with that constant threat. I think if we're along or north of I-70, most of us shape up okay today. Tomorrow, I think it's going to be all of us, though, especially by the afternoon, looking okay. Take a look at that pool forecast. It's going to jump those temperatures as well back into the low 80s here with those rain chances starting to move on out of here. And they stay out of here largely as we get into Friday, probably into this weekend as well. Here's the latest look at Future Track. We're going to be tracking this big area of upper level energy that's working its way out of the desert southwest, but it is on its own schedule here because that jet stream has retreated well up to the north and forgot that thing behind. So nothing really moving that system, and we think it's going to be moving in probably late Sunday. But again, that time frame can certainly fluctuate on either side as of right now. These things are pretty notoriously hard to pin down this far out. But we'll continue to track that. Sunday's when we're thinking that rain chance starts to return. Saturday, though, not expecting any issues looking at that lake forecast this weekend. That UV index is going to sneak up on you, though, as we get into the first week of June. Often does, though, as we get into those middle 80s both Friday and Saturday. There's those rain chances on Sunday, but once they move in, they may be slow to move out as we get into the start of next week.